All right, so now you're going to watch me. I got my clothes all laid out. I actually did this. I'm proud of myself because I actually have it all together. So now I'll let you watch me pack it in the bag. Yeah, baby. This is what I'll be wearing at the airport, so I'm keeping this on the side. So you have to excuse my room, but that's it. I just have a few things left, and yes, can't wait. Funnel Hacking Live, baby. Let's do it. I have this little MP3 player with the Marketing in Your Car podcasts. It has like the first 100 episodes of the Marketing in Your Car podcast on it. This would be awesome listening to while I'm on the plane getting ready for Funnel Hacking Live. I'm making sure to pack a water bottle, and I like this one because it has a closable top. For the time being, this will be my water jug to take into the conference every day. I'm taking some reading material, but I'll only be able to take one of these books. So let me ask, which book should I take? .com Secrets, Traffic Secrets, or Expert Secrets? Which one would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. Give me your choice, and I will reveal in the comments which one I chose. And the packing is done. All right, I'm out here right now. I am waiting on my Uber. I decided to take the Uber to a hotel tonight. So I'm gonna stay in a hotel and take the shuttle tomorrow morning from the hotel to the airport. I'm leaving out pretty early, so I just wanted to just spend the night in a hotel. So I got an Uber coming to pick me up, and I am on my way. FHL 2021 hashtag. I am still super excited, and I can't wait. It's going to be an awesome time. Hope you're getting ready. I hope you're having a great time, and I will see you in Orlando. I'll see you in Orlando. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow on the when I'm getting on the plane at the airport. I'll see you then. Bye. I'm here in my room tonight, just waiting to leave out tomorrow on the plane. As you can see, I am at a hotel right near Houston International, baby. So I'm getting hyped. Yeah, I'm getting hyped. Excited. It is fast approaching. So see you soon. I just wanted to make this quick video. Talk to you later. Bye. So I am bundled up in this cold hotel room. I do not like the cold. They had the AC on about 65. I had to turn it up a notch. I'm just a warm-blooded person, and I don't like the cold air, but I had a long day. I'm about to lay it down. I just wanted to make this last clip for today's video, and I'll be waking up tomorrow morning. I won't have a shake because I don't have, well, I have my shake, I have my shake mix with me actually, but I don't have a blender in here or anything to make it with, but they've got breakfast down at the hotel, so I'm gonna hop down, have a good breakfast, And then there's a shuttle going to the airport tomorrow morning. I can't believe how close I am to actually leaving on the plane and landing in Orlando. I'm pretty pumped. But hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys are having a super awesome weekend. Say hi in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. What if I told you that every morning you could be in an environment with thousands of other like-minded entrepreneurs? Yeah, other entrepreneurs just like you, building an online business. Would you agree that it's important to be in an environment with other high-performing, knowledgeable, dedicated, and positive-minded entrepreneurs? Yeah, it's inspiring. Do you think you'd come away with some golden nuggets of advice, tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to grow your own business? Learning and growing and building your business together in a community. Well, that's what we do every day, Monday through Friday, in the private Facebook group Funnel Building 101. We have amazing people. We have amazing stories. We have amazing information, and arguably the largest collection of training resources you'll find in any private Facebook group. Demo videos, how-to videos, and all the tutorials you need to start and grow your business online. Plus, we're having conversations, real conversations around topics that matter most to you. Because I want to hear what you have to say. So let's talk about it and throw ideas back and forth. Because we're like-minded and we're all going in the same direction, when we connect in a community, we can connect on other stuff outside of the community. Because we're building real relationships. None of this fake commenting and liking posts just for engagement like you see here on Facebook. I'm talking real relationships. R-E-A-L relationships. Don't take my word for it. Danielle said, hey, I just wanted to let you know, I watched your pixel video today and it saved my day. Thank you so much. And Saida said, your videos are entertaining and educational. Daniel said, we just finished putting together our goals to make this 2021 our best year ever. Using funnels and Mark's advice will get us there. Swad said, I needed this. It's just like you've read my mind. Thank you, Mark. Carol said, oh wow, that's amazing indeed. I'm currently right where you were, frustrated with the WordPress site not bringing traffic, leads, or conversions. I'm not really sure what we could be doing wrong, even though I've identified a few issues that we could resolve. I'm so very grateful, Mark. You have no idea. This might just be what I need, actually. So kind of you to share these great resources. Blessings always. And when Ariana asks for someone to build out 4 funnels that is very creative and has great copy skills, Vanessa was quick to highly recommend Mark. Then Tevin said, Mark, you inspire me and keep me fired up. That's why I always touch base with you. It's always an honor, sir. And these are just a few of the hundreds of raving testimonials we've gotten. Now, the only person we're missing in the family is you. So join us in the Facebook group Funnel Building 101. That's Funnel Building 101. It's free to join. A link will be somewhere around this video, or you can text Funnel Building 101 to 678-506-7543. That's Funnel Building 101 to 678-506-7543. Either way works. I don't care how you join, but I can't wait to see you in there. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.